Hey guys, how's it going? How to confirm your vote was counted. So visit your state's election office or official website and use their voter status tool to see your registration and voting record. If you voted by email or absentee, use the ballot tracking system provided by your state to see the status of your ballot. If you have concerns, contact your local election office directly for confirmation. If you received a confirmation receipt when voting in person, some states provide these. Check the details on that receipt. If there are any discrepancies, reach out to your election office for further clarification. Always ensure to verify as soon as possible, especially during election periods. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.